Hello, everyone. This is Amy. Calling your boss by their first name might work for a flat culture, but try that in a Seoul boardroom and things get awkward fast. It's not about rigid fear. It's simply a natural way to respect boundaries and acknowledge your colleagues' hard work. To keep workplace dynamics fluid, you drop first names and address teammates by their official corporate title with a friendly honorific suffix. Let's practice addressing a department manager. Listen closely. 과장님. Repeat after me. 과장님. Now, let's practice addressing a team leader. Listen closely. 팀장님. Repeat after me. 팀장님. Using this suffix isn't about creating distance. It's actually an easy, professional tool that keeps business relationships balanced, communication clear, and everyone feeling valued. Subscribe to Bisset Study Abroad to unlock the next social code. Stay smart, talk happy. See ya!